Welcome back to Python programming. So we'll continue with the dictionary. So in the last session, I have introduced you what is a dictionary, how to use a dictionary, how to create a dictionary. So in today's session, we will add few more examples to the dictionary and how do we dynamically create a dictionary and then how can we use a dictionary with the list. So let's get started with the programming. So we came to know like how do we define a dictionary. So where it is a key value pair and we have created the dictionary. We have used dictionary keys, dictionary values, dictionary items, as well as we have in and then you can use not in. So let's do the some more programming. So this is what we did in the last session. So let's create a new program. Let us create a dynamic dictionary. So again, let us take the example of like creating a Corona dashboard using a create a Corona dashboard using dictionary. Okay, so let's see how do we how is that particular dictionary will look like. So that dictionary would look like say Corona dashboard. It is a key value, right? So key value. So let us say country wise we will create it. So country is say India and then key value is like a list. Like say total number of cases, let us say value I'm taking 1 lakh and then number of active cases, number of recovered cases, and then number of death cases. So this is how it is, and then comma, and then next country, say US, and then some value. Just I will add 22 to it. Say 1,70,000 or 1,50,000, and then there's 20,000. Like this, we can dynamically create a dictionary in this way. So let us see how do we create this. Again, we will get the user inputs and then we will start. So first is we will ask the user like how many countries information